So hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Parameter Store, which is one of the component of AWS Systems Manager, which offer the hierarchical storage for managing your password or database string or any kind of key value pairs. So you can store the data securely. You can store it in plain text or in an encrypted form. So in this demo I'm going to just create one parameter. So I have just named it as /summit/role. So here the submit is the name of one of the application. /role is the key. Then you can choose the different tiers. So there are two types of tiers, standard and the advanced one. Standard is free, so you can store up to 10,000 parameters inside a standard tier. So that will be like per region and per account parameters. And if you choose the advanced, it will be a chargeable, but you can store up to 1 lakh parameters. There are different types: string, stringless, and secure string. String allow you to store a simple text value in the parameter store. When you select stringless, it's allow you to store multiple comma separated string. And the final one is secure string, which I'm going to use in the current demo, which allow you to encrypt the value using the KMS. So whatever the value you are going to enter, it's going to encrypt it and store into the parameter store. If I choose the tier as advanced, so it enables one more option called as parameter policies. By default, it is selected as no expiry policy. That means your parameter will not expire any moment of time. But if you choose the absolute, that means at a given time and given date, your value will be expired. And relevant time means after a certain hour or certain days, value will be expired. You can also set some kind of CloudWatch events before expiring any parameter you wanted to notify the customer, or after a few days you are expected that the parameter value should be changed but it is not changed. So in that case you can also trigger some kind of notification. So the way you can do that, so there are two things actually. With the standard also you can set the notification. Let's say any modification happen into the parameter, let's say you have created new parameter or you have updated the existing value of the parameter, you can trigger the notification. So let me just save one of the value here and I will just create the parameter. So I have now two parameters, one which is I created few minutes back, and you can also click here to see the history. So let me change this value from demo1 to demo2. If I go into history, I can see the two versions, when it is changed, who changed this value, all these details are available here. And I can also show you the value as well. Let me just click the decrypt all so you can see the value. So demo1 and demo2. So this is how you can see the history. Second part of it is the notification. So let's say you are working on the application where you need some kind of notification, let's say the modification. If the value is changed, you can use the event bridge to trigger the events. Here are some example of events. And here's the code of the console-based application. Can be used to fetch any parameter value. Get parameter will fetch a single parameter value. With decryption will give you the decrypted value. Also, if you use the hierarchy as /summit and you wanted to retrieve all the nodes, then you can just mention /summit and use this method as get parameter by path. So it will give you all the summit hierarchy parameters. So let me just run it. Here you can see this is the first output, which is the encrypted string where I have not passed the with decryption as true. And this is the second output where with the help of hierarchy I am fetching different parameters, client ID and role. So this is how you can fetch different values. For the lambda you can use the power tools for fetching parameter value and storing into the cache. So that's it for this video. If you are a .NET developer and if you wanted to learn AWS, I can help you in that journey. Connect with me on this and follow me for similar kind of content. Thank you.